Good evening, students. My name is Dr. Neeraj, and today we are going to learn how to use Vlookup. Now, we have two sheets. Sheet 1 is not having the marks of the student, and sheet 2 is having the marks of the student. So, I want the marks from sheet 2 to come here with reference to the student ID. Now, as you can see, student ID is unique and it is common in both the sheets. So let us take an example. Forget about VLOOKUP for a moment, and let us take an example. Like suppose I want to find the marks of the student with ID number 1028. So how we are going to do? Tell me. Think about it. Like I want the marks of student ID number 1028. How I will do? First step, what I will do? Without formula, like if I have to put marks over here for the first row, that is 1028, how I will do it? First I will see what is the student ID number. It is 1028. Okay. This is the first thing I will do. And then I will go to the next sheet and then see the first row. Is it 1028? No. Then go to the second one, then third one, then fourth one, and then fifth one. That means the whole table. It is an extreme case. It can be in between also. If it is in between, I will leave it there only. But what if it is in the last? So let us assume it is in the last. So it will go in the first, second row, third, this row, this row, this row, whole table. And in the last we find 1028, and then I will see with respect to 1028 what is the number. It is 98. Again I will go back and put over here 98. Similarly I will do for 1012, 1016, 1020, 1024. So now we will put VLOOKUP for the first row only. So what I will do? Same process I am going to do. Equal to VLOOKUP brackets. First thing what is saying, lookup value. What I have to look? 1028. I will select it. Comma. Then table array. As we went to the next sheet and we started looking at the whole table. So what I will do? I will select the whole table. I have selected the whole table. And also we can see that this is 3C. It is saying 5R into 3C. The 3 is our number which is important, which I will remember. 3 is the reference number. That means the third row. Third column. So I have selected the whole table because in the last also our required student ID may be there. So I select the whole table. Now I have selected the whole table, and this is a reference table for all the records. I am doing it only for the first record, but I am going to do it for all the records, so I am going to drag it. So while dragging, I don't want to change this reference. This reference is a constant thing. For all my records, record number 1, 2, 3, this is my reference. I will check for all the records, the whole table. So what I do, I freeze this particular range by pressing function and F4. Now you can see that dollars have come in front and the backside of A and even C. So if you don't want to use function F4, what you can do is you can manually put dollars in front and back of the cell address, that is A and C alphabets. So by this I have frozen this particular reference table. For all the rows, I have to check this. That's why I have frozen it. Next step is again, I go up and then put comma. Column index number. I told you 3 is the, 5 into 3 it was coming. Third is the column. So I put the 3 number. Then again, comma. I want exact match. So I select false. And I close the brackets and press enter. So this thing has come 98. And now what I do? I just drag it. Now I just want to show you. See, all the cells A and C, A2 and C6 is not changing. I am changed because it is frozen. It has not changed. My reference table is constant. That is very important. Other thing which is important is again I select the whole thing, right click, just a moment, Control C, yeah, and then value. Now this thing has gone, formula is gone, and our Excel is ready to use wherever we want. It is without formula and everything is there. Thank you very much for your time. Good luck. This is one of your, when in analytics, when I was teaching Excel, this is one of the functions which is important and it is critical because VLOOKUP is a function which is used quite often in the organizations as well as by the students. And it is important in terms of exam also.